It's actually already past 12 right now. And kanina kasi umaambon, so pinatila ko muna siya and it's very sunny outside na. Pagod na ako magdala ng malaking bag. Small bag lang ako. And gamit ko na pala, no, yung binili ko from BTV. Ginamit ko na din tong pouch and this green poofy bag. It's actually my last full day dito. Tomorrow, I will be leaving. And actually, si ate din naman. Pero magkahiwalay kami ng flight. So, I don't really have like a set agenda for today. So, I will be riding a train going to Chinatown. Super amazing. Sobrang underground ng train stations nila. Parang bumaba ako ng, like 3 floors? Para lang makarating sa platform. Chinatown complex. So, meron dito mga hawkers and as you can see, yung tinadaanan ko, parang mga Changi din siya. So, I think the hawkers are at the 2nd floor. Ayan, so second story yung food center nila. Medyo forgiving naman yung weather. Currently, cloudy. I don't know if ulan pa. Wala akong payong, so good luck. So dito, madami din actually na mga Michelin Guide hawker. Andito yung original na Hawker Chan. Ito yung first na stall na nabigyan ng first ever Michelin star na Hawker Chan. So I found the Hawker Chan na gusto ko kainan talaga. So ito yung queue niya. Medyo mahaba, no? Siguro mga nasa pang 20 ako sa pila. And what I did was I saved myself a seat already doon. Nilagay ko lang yung tumbler ko. It's safe naman na mag-iwan ng gamit. Pero yun, kung magsisave kayo ng table, not so valuable item na lang ilagay nyo. Sobrang nakaka-overwhelm yung mga hawkers dito. I mean, if you go here, mas maganda na well-researched na kung ano yung gusto mong kainan. And meron din silang mga number ng stalls dito. So, take note of the stall number na gusto nyong kainan para madali nyo siyang mahanap. I believe 20 minutes. And this is the cheapest meal na nakain ko so far. This was just around $4. Kasi typically, kahit sa mga hawker, mga $6, ganun. Pero this one, 4 lang siya. Pero syempre, hindi kasama yung drinks and all. Now, as of the taste, it doesn't really like differ much from what we have in the Philippines. Pero syempre, yung experience na kumain ka dito mismo sa Hawker Chan na nagkaroon ng Michelin star. But I think wala na silang Michelin star ngayon. Still worth it. Sa totoo lang, parang may 4 ako nakalista na gusto kong kainan dito. Pero dahil mag-isa lang ako, I don't think that's possible. May isa akong gusto pa talagang i-try. Kasarado siya ng 3 and magtutuna. So, inubos ko lang muna to para mainit-init pa siya habang pinakain ko. Halatang matakaw ako, no? Pero hindi ko sure kung maubos ko talaga itong mga to. Kasi busog na ako. Ayun, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I will try this. And sayang, dahil minsan lang tayo nandito. Isa pa tong Michelin Guide na Hawker we will be trying their xiaolongbao and spicy wonton. Favorite ko yung Din Tai Fung. Sabi ko talaga, must try to for. Unahin natin yung xiaolongbao. Then let's put some ginger. Sarap. Dapat talaga makain to ng mainit-init pa. Palabasin mo yung soup. Then, put some ginger. Try ko naman tong spicy wonton. Sarap. Hindi siya super anghang. I am now done eating. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko naubos yung mga dim sum na binili ko. Pero na more than half naman yung naubos ko sa kanila. Kasi sobrang busog na talaga ako, hindi ko na kaya. Grabe talaga, sa sobrang kabusugan ko, ako ay naantok na. Maglalakad-lakad lang ako dito around Chinatown and I'll take some pictures. And then I think I'll go to a coffee shop later on. Sasadyain ko lang. And I was walking around here. Malapit lang dito sa Chinatown. Those recently sa Anakin Street. May nakita ako coffee shop dito na madami lang sa labas. During the daytime until the afternoon, it's a coffee shop. But later on, around dinner time, it will be a bar. So yung coffee shop area niya, basically dito lang siya sa labas. Tapos may chairs lang like for areas you can sit inside. But then sa labas, and dito, behind the curtains here, yung area.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Changi City Point Mall. So, bale, before siya ng airport, ng Changi Airport. 3 stores lang siya. I have everything that I want here. Merong New Balance and Nike. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to buy anything. Check ko lang sila. Medyo time pressure to kasi may reservation kayo mamaya sa Marina ng mga 8 o'clock and it's already almost 7 o'clock. Doon sa Changi City Point. May reservation kami dito sa Bread Street. Ito yung restaurant ni Gordon Ramsay.
guys! Good morning! Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon. So, nandito ako ngayon sa parang recreational area. Nandito yung pool, nandito rin yung gym. It's actually our last day here in Singapore, me and ate. Ang alis pa naman namin ay gabi pa. Ako yung flight ko around 6:40 p.m. pa, no? And si ate mga around 7 o'clock. The plan is today is to shop for pasalubong since nandito na kami sa Bugis. Malapit lang naman dito yung Bugis Street or Bugis Junction, Bugis Plus. Wala pang 5-minute walk. Ayun, yung kahapon sa Bread Street, the food was good. As in, like yung steak, super lambot niya. Parang kang kumakain lang ng bread din. Super nice yung beef Wellington nila. But yeah, it's very expensive. Ang total bill namin ay mga nasa around 172 Singaporean dollars. More or less, it's going to be 7,000 pesos. Parang ganun. For you to take note of is that they don't take cards, so you must pay with cash. Pero mura dito ah. Thank you. Ito rin guys yung shops dito. Yan, may JD na puro mga iba-ibang mga shoe brands. Meron din Bershka, may Sephora dito sa Bugis Plus. Pumasok ko dito sa JD. Ang gaganda ng 530s. Kasi ito, may mga din. May mga naka-sale. Ito may mga naka-sale din sa Nike. Ito yung mga New Balance 530s. Super love ko ang 530s. Kaya super comfortable niya. Tapos meron dito yung mga exclusive dito sa store lang na to. Like this one. Only at JD. Pag ninilay-nilayan ko pa, kasi actually may time pa naman kami later, after lunch. Bumili na ako ng sapatos kahapon. Tapos bibili na naman ako. Dahil mo pera, te. Puro sale. Ano ba yan? Nakakainis. Naku, impulsive pa naman ako. Char. Kami dito sa site ng Singapore na parang residential area na siya. Madami ng mga condominiums, apartments, and mga bahay-bahay. So, dinayo namin tong Korean restaurant named Nayana. We took the bus. Siguro mga around 30 minutes yung bus ride. And guys, nakabili ako. Nabudol na ako. The tax-free starts at like 100 SGD and up. Yeah. Hey guys! So, nandito na ako ngayon sa Changi Airport. Nagiwalay na din kami ni ate. Bale, nasa Terminal 2 kami nagpa-drop off sa Grab. Kasi Terminal 2 si ate. So, ako naman, Terminal 4. Gusto ko sanang masakyan yung train na na dadaan ng rain vortex. I'm not sure what train that is actually. So, I'm going to try to go to Terminal 3. Kasi sure ako na hindi dumadaan yung Terminal 1 to Terminal 2. Kasi natry ko na yun nakaraan. Hey guys, so nandito na ako ngayon sa Terminal 4. Near the gates na ako. And I also just finished doing the GST. So, if you have purchases that are eligible, I believe mga clothes, shoes, bags, makeup, skincare, alam ko hindi lang eligible for tax refund ay ang mga food. So if you have a single receipt that is worth above 100 SGD, that is eligible for GST. So you just have to prepare your passport, tell it to the cashier na magpapa-refund kayo, magpapa-tax refund kayo, and then they will issue a receipt for GST. But what I did was, after na ng immigration, nag-kiosk lang ako ng GST, and I scanned my passport, and lahat na ng mga purchases ko na eligible for tax refund, hindi mo na kailangan i-present or i-scan yung mga QR code na nandun sa receipt, kasi automatic na siya na lumalabas. And you just have to select and refund. And ang sinelect ko is a credit card. Mababalik yung tax refund sa akin doon na mismo sa card ko. Actually, I'll be boarding the flight na din. Sobrang sakto lang talaga yung dating ko. This Singapore trip has been great. Sobrang na-appreciate ko rin tong trip na to dahil this is the first time na kaming dalawa lang ni ate sa isang trip. So, parang kalahati naman, di ba? Kasama ko si ate sa trip na to. So yun, thanks din ate if you're watching this. So if you want to see my upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, if you like this Singapore series, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and watch the rest of the Singapore vlogs that I have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!